Excellians! Today, we will continue our examination of the perfect system in English by learning about two further tenses, the past perfect tense and the past perfect progressive tense. I know a lot of these sound the same, but I promise you, they are all different. Let's start with the past perfect tense. That tense refers to an action that was completed in the past before another action in the past. So it is most appropriately used when referencing two separate moments in time. And, like the perfect tense, it also takes an auxiliary verb, had, which is paired with the past participial form of the main verb. But be careful! The later action is not written in the past perfect tense. Instead, it uses only the simple past tense. Let's look at some examples. John had studied at the library before he got home. Note the two activities. The first is studying and the second is getting home. The studying happened before getting home, but both happened in the past. That means we use the past perfect tense for the earlier activity, and you'll notice we use the simple past tense verb got for the later activity. Let's look at another. Sarah had practiced every day for the big race, but she still lost. Here, of course, the practicing happens before Sarah loses the race. So we use the past perfect and simple past tenses to show the difference in time. Again, notice that the verb lost in the later activity is written in the simple past tense form. Now let's move to the next tense. The past perfect progressive tense. Say that 5 times fast. You probably remember that the progressive tenses always use an ing form of the main verb preceded by auxiliary verbs, had and been, in this tense. So this one should be easy to master. Like the past perfect tense, it also takes a simple past tense verb for the second activity. However, this tense is often used with the subordinating conjunctions when, before, and since. Let's see it in action. Anne had been watching the movie Spider-Man when she heard someone knock on the door. Or, Tom had been watching the Matrix series on repeat before he watched The Matrix Resurrections. Notice that these sentences have the progressive tense verb coupled with subordinating conjunctions and a simple past tense verb for the second action. Well, that's all there is to it, Excellians. Stay tuned for the next video in our verb tenses series. See you soon!